Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Messer, along with Tim Stanvik. Let's get to some stocks on the move. With us is Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Emily Grafeo here in studio. Hello. Off and running.
Yeah, there's a lot of stocks that are in the red. Let's start with Amazon, ticker AMZN. It's down 3.9%. The intraday low down 4%. Most of it likely just the broader equity market decline that we're seeing today on these fears of geopolitical volatility, potentially increased tariffs. And then we also did get their CEO, Andy Jassy, warning at Davos today that tariffs are starting to creep into prices on the retailer's website. So likely also weighing on the stock.
That mirrors like what we were just talking about with Mike, that, and I think we feel like we've had a fair amount of guests over the last month or so, that the idea that we still haven't felt the full effect of tariffs, but now it's kind of making its way across the board.
Yeah, I think I shared this story a few weeks ago, buying some mittens for my son. I balked at the price, and the person selling them said, we got hit pretty hard with tariffs when it comes to kids' warm weather gear.
Yeah, apparently Amazon had been taking some measures to offset the tariff-related costs, and that was working in 2025, but it's not working so much in 2026.
Okay, Amazon first on the list. What else is on your radar?
So Netflix, a little bit of a green spot. It is pairing gains, though. It was up as much as 2%. Now it's actually about flat right now. But the news with them today, they're amending their bid to acquire Warner Brothers to all cash. This is confirming reporting that Bloomberg had just about a week ago that Netflix was going all cash.
Cash is king.
Cash is king here. It speaks to the strength of Netflix's balance sheet. And then we're watching Netflix earnings coming in about an hour, watching for about $12 billion in revenue. But analysts are expecting slowing revenue growth for the next 3 quarters.
Going to save you 20 seconds for Intel because this is an outperformer today.
This is an outperformer. 2 upgrades on Wall Street for Intel. The stock is up. It was up as much as 7% today, up right now about 5.7%. HSBC and Seaport upgrading. That stock is up 30%.
I know.
Over the last
it's
month.
been on a tear. Sometimes I think, when you also pop up in the White House and we talked about and wait,
People
now
who
who owns Intel? Some of Intel?
You do.
Oh, and you do.
Yeah.
And you do. All of us have a little piece of it.
Yeah, whether you want to or not.
Yeah.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.